the last time that you'll ever see us. After this you're gonna go blind. This is the last time that there'll be a last time. After this nothing will run. 'Cause I'm the last hero. I'm your only hope. And you got a lot to fear, but as long as I'm here, I can be a hero. I can be your
Live from the dust to ground zero. They living for the villains, I'm dying to be the hero. Different from the rest, but I was a proud widow. These mortals turn my heart colder than Sub-Zero. Ready for combat, I'm back. No cape, no speedo. Kryptonite backpack, Superman ego. Darker than a Batman night, but I shine like the Batman light over my city and the people. Where's the leaders when everybody says follow me? So the leaders are also doing the following. 140 characters ain't enough for apologies or descriptions of what you motherfuckers are about to see. Who else gonna be one when they deficient of B12?